Hello, my name is Swan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami small swan. It is a very small model and contain only 87 pieces. Let's start. For this model we need white small 3D origami pieces. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. We need in total 87 pieces. It is a very small model, and I will show you very quickly how I make a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, please look in the description of the video and you will find there several tutorials for the beginners. And now I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. You can see there is a huge difference between these two 3D origami pieces, and now I will transform this. I will use 6 pieces connected together in a row. I put the edges in the pockets, then push, and with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look beautiful. In the beginning I will show you how I glue the 3D origami pieces. I use a liquid glue and I put some glue inside the pockets and then connect with other pieces like this. And I connect pieces like this. We go with 3 rows in the same time, and we connect pieces until we have 8 pieces in the first row, 7 pieces in the second, and 6 pieces in the third row. Complete these rows. I complete all these rows, 8 pieces in the first row, 7 in the second and 6 in the third, and now I will close the row and complete with 1 piece the second row and with 2 pieces the third row. And we obtain a very small 3D origami base, 8 pieces in each row. Next we increase the number of pieces in a row. Now we have 8 and we increase to 12. We increase with 4 pieces. And first we put like this 1 piece between the pieces from the previous row and then 2 pieces above. One normal and then increase again. One normal and increase again. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. And now we have 12 pieces in this last row. Next we put 2 normal pieces and then 1 above. Like this. And then this will be the neck, and then we put inverted pieces. Inverted pieces is the same piece, but we do not put this round part outside the model but inside, like this. The round part is here. We will have two edges free here and another two there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inverted pieces. Next, we put 7 inverted pieces above the 8 inverted from the previous row, like this. Do not forget to glue. Then we put 6. Do not forget to alternate the direction of the row. If you put a row in this direction, the next row put the pieces on the other direction. Then we put 5 pieces, inverted pieces above. Then 4. Next we put 4 inverted pieces, 3 inverted pieces like this. Then 2. And the last one. And the tail is finished. Next, for the neck and the head, we glue 8 pieces together and then we give a nice shape, and then we glue here like this. And my 3D origami small swan is finished. I hope you enjoyed this small model. It is very small and I hope you enjoy this. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe, rate, make comments and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.